I'm almost finished. I've just got to print it before 8:30. Oh, not again. Classic. How long are you going to take?
Oh, sorry, I'm just printing out this whole book.
Run. Run.
Oh man, I hate the block run.
Yeah, me too.
Run together?
Yeah, we can pretty much walk.
Awesome.
Go! Ah, my print is not working. Aced it. What? Guys, what's so funny? Check iMessage. I wish I could connect this projector. Move! Nice. Snatch.
I don't think so. Not today.
What does she think she's doing?
This is why Year 12s can't drive to school.
Oh, Bella.
Can we play Cahoots? Yes! Cahoots? Okay, we'll do something relevant to psychology. Oh my god. Oh no! This
Who's in the picture?
there should be an apostrophe here, just so.
This is going forwards with end right. You ready?
Yes. Have you started?
Oh, no.
Guys, I can't find my tanning mitt anywhere. Like, where is it? Is it in the bar? Like, I can't find it. I have the ball tomorrow and I can't find it. Rachel, all your stuff's in here, okay? I can't find my tanning mitt. I can't find it. Rachel, come over here and clean all your stuff.
I'm just signing my paper 2 is due last term. I'll be over in a sec.
Rachel, your stuff is in here. Rachel, your E final paper is here. Oh, Rachel, it's your charger as well. Oh, Rachel, I found your ball dress. Rachel, I found it under all the stuff. You did? Rachel, I found your dignity.
Oh my god, I lost it so long ago. Did you find your tanning mitt, Tilly?
No.
Click, 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 click. As I look around, they don't do it like my click. click, click, click.
Perks of being on short and stretch. Perks of being on peak cheddar. Oh man.
Just 140.
I should probably go make a toasty.
Toasty takes so long.
Jennifer, where is everyone else? I think there was a meeting. English. Oh wait, no, I'm studying.
I hope you girls are working.
Got a mess. You're the mess teacher.
5 minutes for each of these. Oh, is it 55 Well, that's just another way of saying that they're collecting.
No!
Girls, language perfect, starting tomorrow.
Okay, you were missing period. Oh, you're missing period 1, 3, 4. Oh, you were here period 5. Period 2. Where were you?
Can I please get a double cheeseburger combo? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, we didn't ask for a steamed bun.
I was studying.
I need to check up on you, and it seems like, where were you period 5 on Monday?
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again.
How to fix it, everything.
Yeah, I was study.
Guys, I did that thing where they say list all the things that are due for tomorrow. I feel so much better. I don't really have much, so I think I'll start off with the small one. So like I'll learn a new language by tomorrow. I'll do my EE by tomorrow. I might do a backup EE just in case that one doesn't work. I'll do those 3 paper 2 essays. That'll be easy. That'll be like 5 hours each.
Oh, what's your week looking like?
Oh, well, I've got my one study this week. I'm quite excited.
Yeah, you'll get more than 3 hours of sleep.
Yeah.
On your mark, set, go! What are you doing tonight? I think I might watch another season of Gossip Girl. Mean.
What do you have next?
Triple study.
Oh, me.
Sad.